Goji juice is one of the most popular nutritional supplements in the world. Manufactured from the mythical goji berry, it's widely heralded as the most nutritionally dense food on the planet. Thousands of families drink goji juice every day, and because the juice is so delicious, most of them simply drink a few ounces of pure juice. However, families with small children might want to add additional fun to their daily intake of goji juice. This is where the imagination comes into play. It's too boring just to simply drink goji juice day after day, locked into the same monotonous routine. Where's the fun in that? By making your child's daily goji consumption experience fun, they'll look forward to it and be less likely to forget this important juice. There are numerous fun ways to consume goji juice, and one of the most popular is by making goji juice popsicles. Below is a great recipe for doing just that. Goji juice popsicle recipe. Ingredients: 3 ounces package of gelatin, Jell-o, choose your favorite flavor. 8 ounces of goji juice. 1 packet of Kool-Aid, choose your favorite flavor. 1 cup of granulated sugar. 2 quarts of water. Instructions. First, bring the water to a boil. Next, pour the water into a tall pitcher. Combine each of the above ingredients, and stir until fully dissolved. Pour into paper cups and place a tray of the cups in the freezer. Once the ingredients begin to thicken, add popsicle sticks and place the cups back in the freezer until they are fully frozen. The result is a freezer full of delicious goji juice popsicles. A summer favorite, popsicles have been enjoyed by millions of children in the almost 100 years since they were first introduced. By combining popsicles with the nutritional benefits of goji juice, children learn that maintaining good health can also be fun and delicious. And parents can join in the fun too, and perhaps reflect on the better days of their own childhood.